How to play Fortnite with PS4 controller on PS5. For this, you can go ahead and launch your Fortnite and connect your PS4 controller. However, you have to make sure that your PS4 games are upgraded to PS5, which means that you will not be able to play PS5 games using your PS4 controller. Even though it supports every version of PlayStation, you simply cannot play your PS5 version gaming with your DualShock. You can, however, easily upgrade your PS4 games to PS5. That includes your Fortnite as well. So if you want to upgrade it to PS5, you can simply search for an upgrade on your Epic Games, and once it is upgraded according to your PS5, you will have to play it according to your PS5 controllers, and your DualShock will be no use if you want to play it in your PS5. So if you want to enjoy your PS4 version, you have to use your PS4 controllers, and if you want to play on your PS5, just simply go ahead and use your PS5 controllers even though it is upgraded. And that is pretty much it for the video as well. We hope you found this informative to you, and thank you so much for tuning in.